Let's take a look at the new unit that's going in upstairs here in the church. There's the beginning of it. That is big. That is a big, I guess some kind of like duct. Give you an idea how big this duct is? Let's see. That's like as big as my arm, from my hand to my elbow. That is huge. And here's the rest of it. It pretty much spans the entire back length here of the church. I think it's the width of the church. This is a monster of a unit. There's some more ductwork over here. It looks like they got it mounted on like some kind of foam, I guess like a foam block or something to help dampen the sound and vibration. But I mean, this thing is really big. It's a huge effort. Come upstairs and check it out sometime.